Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can download books without Wi-Fi on your iPhone 13 series. So here you can see if I open up books and if I try to download, I cannot open because I'm not connected to my Wi-Fi. So to do that, you can first go back to your home screen and open up settings. In settings, you want to go down and tap on books. Then tap on cellular data. So you want to turn on cellular data. And then go back to your home screen and open up books. So I'm going to go to my app library and open up the books app. Okay, so once you turn on cellular data, you can see the get button now becomes active, and you can tap on the get button to get the book. And that's how you can download the book without Wi-Fi on your iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.